Power up with protein. Did you know that protein does more than just build muscles? It plays a vital role in repairing tissues and producing enzymes and hormones. It's a secret weapon for fighting those afternoon energy slumps, keeping you energized and focused throughout the day. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied for longer, preventing those cravings for unhealthy snacks that can derail your diet. This makes it a crucial part of a healthy and energizing lunch, ensuring you stay on track with your nutrition goals and maintain your energy levels. The quick fix, high-protein wraps. Enter high-protein wraps. These are a convenient and delicious way to pack in the protein your body needs. They are perfect for busy weekdays when you need a quick and satisfying meal. High-protein wraps are also easily customizable, making them suitable for various dietary needs and preferences. The lunchtime struggle is real. Finding time to prepare a healthy and delicious lunch can be a challenge. Fast food is tempting, but often lacks nutrition. Simple salads can be boring. High-protein wraps offer a solution, a quick, healthy, and satisfying meal that you can easily prepare at home. Wrap it up. 4 delicious ideas. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a post-workout meal, or a healthy dinner option, these wraps have got you covered. Here are 4 high-protein wrap recipes to try. Each one is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. First, we have the classic chicken Caesar. This wrap is a perfect blend of flavors and textures, making it a favorite for many. This wrap is a lighter take on the classic salad. It's perfect for those who love the taste of Caesar salad but want something more portable and less calorie-dense. Use grilled chicken breast, romaine lettuce, low-fat Caesar dressing, and a whole wheat wrap. The whole wheat wrap adds fiber, making it a healthier choice. Add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. The cheese adds a nice salty touch that complements the dressing perfectly. Next, there's the spicy black bean wrap. This wrap is not only delicious but also incredibly filling, thanks to the high fiber content of the black beans. This vegetarian option is packed with flavor. It's a great choice for those looking to reduce their meat consumption without sacrificing taste. Combine black beans, corn, salsa, avocado, and a dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream in a whole wheat wrap. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Add a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. If you like your food spicy, this wrap will definitely hit the spot. Third, we have the tuna salad supreme. This wrap is a healthy twist on a lunchtime favorite, offering a good balance of protein and healthy fats. This wrap is a healthy twist on a lunchtime favorite. It's perfect for those who love tuna salad but want a lighter, more nutritious version. Mix canned tuna with Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise. This swap reduces the calorie content and adds a tangy flavor. Add chopped celery, onion, and a sprinkle of black pepper. The celery adds a nice crunch, while the onion and pepper add depth of flavor. Wrap it all up in a whole wheat tortilla. This makes it easy to take on the go, whether you're heading to work or out for a picnic. Finally, there's the Mediterranean delight. This wrap is a journey for your taste buds, offering a mix of fresh and savory flavors. This wrap is a journey for your taste buds. It's perfect for those who love Mediterranean cuisine and want a quick, healthy meal. Combine hummus, feta cheese, cucumber, tomato, and red onion in a whole wheat wrap. The hummus adds creaminess, while the feta cheese adds a salty tang. A drizzle of tzatziki sauce adds a burst of freshness. This sauce, made from yogurt, cucumber, and herbs, ties all the flavors together beautifully. A feast for the eyes, the Mediterranean delight. This wrap is not just food, it's an experience, a journey through the vibrant flavors and colors of the Mediterranean. The Mediterranean delight wrap is a visual treat. Each bite is a burst of freshness, a symphony of colors and textures that tantalize your senses. The vibrant colors of fresh vegetables, creamy hummus, and tangy feta cheese make it as appealing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Imagine the crunch of cucumbers, the sweetness of cherry tomatoes, and the richness of olives all coming together. This wrap is packed with protein from the hummus and feta cheese. These ingredients not only add flavor, but also provide essential nutrients that your body needs. Fiber from the vegetables keeps you feeling full and satisfied. The combination of crunchy and soft textures makes every bite interesting and enjoyable. Healthy fats from the hummus and tzatziki sauce provide long-lasting energy. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining good health and keeping you energized throughout the day. Fuel your body, conquer your day. These high-protein wraps are quick and easy to prepare. Most of the ingredients are pantry staples or can be prepped in advance. This makes them perfect for busy mornings. Packed with protein and essential nutrients, these wraps will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. Join the wrap revolution. What's your favorite high-protein wrap combination? Share your ideas in the comments below. Subscribe to my newsletter and activate notifications for more delicious and healthy meal prep ideas. Let's make lunchtime the highlight of your day.